It takes hard work to forge a company, dedication to refine the technology, and patience to polish the process. It's what makes Metallix the leader in the highly competitive industry of precious metal refining and the best choice for your recycling needs. We are driven to perform beyond expectations through innovation, determination, and unsurpassed service. We purchase scrap materials containing gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and rhodium so that we can recycle and refine them, reducing industrial waste and the need for more mining. Our objective is to earn your business by processing your materials efficiently and safely from an environmental and health perspective, thereby reducing your company's risks and liabilities. We also pay you the highest possible price for your precious metal scrap materials, and we give you control over the entire transaction. This is our ISO certified refinery in Greenville, North Carolina. It was built from an environmental, health, and safety standpoint with the intention of attracting precious metal scrap suppliers who place a high level of importance on EHS issues. Before purchasing the site, we conducted an extensive environmental study of the property to ensure it was environmentally sound so our current and future suppliers would feel comfortable shipping their sensitive precious metals to our site. At Metallix, the precious metal recycling process is handled with the care and skill required to manage this complex procedure. Our process includes thermal reduction, high temperature melting, mechanical reduction, and chemical processing. We engineered our own highly advanced thermal reduction process to handle materials that are too sensitive for conventional incineration methods. It is called Advanced Pyrolytic Reduction, or APR2. This process roasts the precious metal-bearing materials in an oxygen-starved, turbulent-free environment to reduce the potential loss of any precious metals within the system. All subsequent spent gases and particulates are thermally reprocessed in the APR2's afterburner, then neutralized and collected by our caustic scrubber system. The thermally reduced precious metal-bearing materials, or ash that is produced by the APR2 process, is transferred to the mechanical reduction or high-temperature melting department for further upgrading. The mechanical reduction process consists of equipment known as ball mills, sifters, and blenders, all designed to pulverize and homogenize ash from the APR system or ceramic-based material into fine powder. Metallix maintains various sizes of equipment for handling the wide range of lot sizes we receive. We continuously monitor airborne particulates and balance our air handling system to keep our operators safe and to prevent any loss of your materials. Our high-temperature melt department has several sized induction furnaces capable of melting precious metals with purity as low as 0.1% and as high as 99%. The filtered ventilation equipment in this area ensures the health and safety of the operator handling the material while also protecting the environment. In our chemical processing department, we accept cyanide solutions containing gold and silver. Here we dramatically accelerate the naturally slow process of destroying cyanide by using elevated pressures and temperatures to break down the cyanide complex into harmless carbon, nitrogen, and water, while simultaneously collecting the precious metals. We refer to this process as Total E. The acid department is where higher grade precious metals are dissolved, separated, and precipitated as pure. We use the latest fume capturing technology to protect the environment and to ensure the health and safety of our operators. Throughout the refining process, the materials are tested for their precious metal type and content using various analytical methods including fire assay, wet chemical analysis, and instrumentation. At Metallix, we understand that many precious metal scrap generators have a policy of conducting an environmental, health, and safety audit on their potential recyclers. We have already contracted an independent EHS firm to conduct this audit, so you don't have to. The results of the audit, affectionately known as the Big Book, are available for your review. Additionally, Metallix carries an environmental liability insurance to further protect our suppliers. The safety of our employees and visitors is paramount at Metallix. We employ full-time safety personnel that train our employees to monitor air quality and noise levels to ensure we meet or exceed all regulations that govern our facility. Security is of great importance in a precious metal refinery. To this end, we have installed a state-of-the-art, all-digital surveillance system so we can view and record all aspects of our operation. We have also instituted a metal-free policy, which means individuals entering and leaving the plant cannot have any metal on their persons. When it comes to buying your precious metal scrap, Metallix offers the best value and simplest and safest transaction in the industry. Because you, the supplier, maintain ownership while the material is in our possession, you control the transaction. If for some reason you're not satisfied with our performance or our offer to purchase, you can take your precious metals back because they are your assets until we buy them from you. Ask your Metallix buyer for a copy of our terms and conditions and see why Metallix is the best and safest source for your precious metal recycling needs.
As you can see from the tour of our facility, Metallix is set up to best serve your precious metals recycling needs. We're proud of our state-of-the-art refinery and invite you to visit us to see why Metallix is the right place to sell your precious metals. Metallix is refining redefined.